naval drills, interesting, and indeed dangerous, developments are taking place in the region, and Pakistan will have to respond with alacrity and foresight to meet the challenges ahead. Arab countries are establishing fast friendship with the state of Israel, a country that Pakistan, along with others, does not recognize, while attempts are being made to strengthen the anti-Iran alliance under the American umbrella para. The recent US led international maritime exercise, a set of naval maneuvers, this year saw some strange bedfellows as Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Israel were amongst the 60 countries that participated para, while UAE and Bahrain, which also have recently experienced warm ties with Israel, Saudi Arabia has yet to recognize the Jewish state publicly, while Pakistan has also held back recognition as long as the Palestine question remain unresolved para. It can easily be assumed that naval exercise is part of a series of soft steps by the US and our Arab allies to push Pakistan closer to recognizing Israel. As this paper has said before, this prospect should only be considered if the Palestinians are on board, more specifically, if a just solution acceptable to the Arab side is reached para. Otherwise, it would be akin to rewarding Israel for decades of brutal behavior meted out to the Palestinian para. Secondly, if this is an attempt to drag Pakistan into an anti-Iran alliance, this country must remain wary and stay away from any such misadventure para. The Israeli Prime Minister was recently in Bahrain on a landmark visit around the time the naval drills were happening, and Iran was on top of the agenda para. Moreover, an Israeli naval officer will now be stationed in Bahrain, literally across the water from Iran para. Pakistan must keep a safe distance from such dangerous brinksmanship and let it be known publicly that it will not be part of any anti-Iran coalition. If things get uglier in the region, Washington as well as the Gulf sheikdoms may pressure Pakistan, but this country must stand firm and do what is in its best interest para. Pakistan did the right thing by staying away from the renewous Yemen war despite immense pressure applied on it by Arab capitals 7 years down the line, as that war shows no sign of ending. This country stand has been vindicated. Instead of joining any partisan alliance, Pakistan must maintain its neutrality and try and bridge differences between Iran and Arab states. Full stop.